Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will be using the formulas which can be used in cleaning, formatting or comparing of data in Excel. So these are these 5 formulas which we'll be learning in this session. The text formula allows us to apply the format on the number. We can change the way a number appears in our data. We can also embed formatted numbers in a text. In this file, I have already created some examples for easy understanding of the output the formula provides. Let's see the formula and check the parameters which are required for the formula. So here we have selected B2, that is the value which we want to format, and in format text is the format code which has to be applied on that formula or on that value or the number. So we have defined the format over here. You will observe that the format codes are in quotation marks. Press OK. Now here you can add and remove decimal points. You can convert a number into percentage. You can convert the format of the dates. You can also add these numbers in a text, or we can say we can embed these numbers in a text and get the output. So here we have, in this, if you will observe formula, we have this is the text and we have embedded these dates into that text. We can also use symbols, signs in this formula. The repeat formula returns a repeated text value a specific number of times in a cell. It is very useful in formatting our data as per our requirement. Let's see the formula and the parameters required for that formula. So this is the text which we want to be repeated in this cell. So I have selected, already defined some text in column A. So we will select this column A and the number of times which we want this text to be repeated in this cell, that is in E2. So we have selected 2. We may select 5 also. Let's see what happens. Now that it has repeated the text 5 times in this cell. So this is a very useful tool for formatting our data and having a standard output in that format as per our requirement. So here we have repeated 11 times. 10. Observe that it is repeating the text. The number of times we want it to be in the data. We can also use alphabets. The Excel length function returns the length of a text in a cell as the number of characters. It is useful in counting of characters and spaces which are present in a cell or a text. Len will also count characters in a number, but number formatting is not included. This is very useful in cleaning of data. Let's see how this formula works or function works. So we have selected cell A2 and it is giving us the length or number of characters in that text or cell. Let's put it full stop. So you'll see the number has changed. Remove all extra spaces. The numbers also it counts. We'll format it. It will still be 4. So it doesn't count the format. The trim function returns a text value with the leading and trailing spaces removed. It strips the extra spaces from the text, leaving only the single space between words and no space characters at the start and end of the text. So in the example, we have selected cell A2 and the length of that cell is 57 and the output is also same. So let's add some space before this formula and at the end. Now you see the length has increased, but with this text formula it removes that space at the start and the end, and it shows this whole text is only of there are no spaces at the start and the end. Something here we have added some spaces here. We will observe that it has removed all those unwanted spaces from this text. Same over here. So we will observe that it is removed the formatting of the text. This is very good formula or function to clean the data in Excel, and we can have the huge data which can be cleaned with this help of this formula. The exec function compares two text strings and returns true if they are exactly same or false if otherwise. You have to remember that it is case sensitive. It is very useful in comparing data in different files and check the consistency of the text or name used in different files. It is also useful in reconciliation of data. So in this example you will see these two strings. The text is similar, so it is showing true. Over here you see the text is similar, but yet it is showing false. The reason is it is case sensitive, so the word has to be something similar to string 1. So 2 will change it capital T over here. It will again show a true output. ABC, here you see observe the case sensitive of this formula. It is showing false over here. Even though we have formatted this, so it has ignored the formatting and it has shown us a true output. So it is very good in reconciliation of data where we have to compare two sets of data from different files with a similar output.